So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about how to remove stop words using Python. So see the video start to, and if you do not see the video start to, you have problems with your code. That's why I am telling you. And please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And now I do not talk a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Stop words removal is an important step while working on any application of natural language processing. Stop words are words that carry very little or significant semantic context in a piece of text, which is why such words need to be removed in this article. I will make you through how to remove stop words using Python. So first of we learn what are stop words. While working on natural language processing tasks where the output depends on the text, we have trained the model on when and creating such application, the text will be filtered by removing words with very little or no semantic context in the text to increase the accuracy of the model. These words are known as stop words. Removing stop words is an important step while working on any application of natural language processing like chatbots, recommendation systems, etc. If these words are not removed, then it may affect the accuracy of the model. Almost all text processing applications remove stop words before processing the user input, including applications like search engines. Also in the section below, I will take you through a tutorial on how to remove stop words using Python. Remove stop words using Python. Hope you understand that what stop words are and why removing stop words is an important step when building natural language processing application. Now let's see how to remove stop words using Python. Here I will be using the NLTK library in Python. So let's start. So first of all, we are using a Visual Studio Code. So I open my Visual Studio Code and here I go to the new file and here I am writing like .py. Py means Python, that's why I am writing like py. So now let's start to write a code. So how to write a code? First of all, you write like here import nltk from nltk dot corpus import stop words from ntlk dot tokenize import word tokenize nltk dot download. Then here you can write like single comma stop words. Then here we can write like nltk dot download again single comma again punct t. Then text, here I am writing like hi comma my name is Ryan Beg comma I am here to guide you to your journey in machine learning for free. Dot. Then here I am writing like tokens word tokenize text. Then here we can write like tokenization word for word in tokens. If not word in, then now erase it. Then here we can write like stop words dot words single comma English print tokens print then again tokenization. Then now when our work is done, then save from here, run. So it will be giving you the one output it was giving the error. Okay. NLTK. Save. Now run. Now it is not giving the error, and now it is easily as give the output. Now here you can see, hi, my name is Ryan Beck, and here you can see it. So here you can see the easier before removing stop words, it is important to split the text into tokens. That is what I have implemented in the code above. Stop words are frequently used words in any language that are not considered very important when building natural language processing application. These words include words such as conjunctions, prepositions, and adverbs. I hope you like this article on how to remove stop words using Python. Feel free to ask your valuable question in the comment section below. So for today, goodbye.